Right, okay, this week's project hasn't quite gone to plan yet, and it's here. And I've got a day left to do editing, so yeah. Right, this week we're going to review this thing. This is a Bauker Sander, Orbital Sander. Okay, so it takes 125mm discs with the hook and loop thing. My old one was 115, so they don't actually fit this. But we got one with it, so we're going to give that one a go. So, I don't know if you can see. It's really hard to tell on the little screen. So we're going to start at 1. It's got a nice toggle switch, there's no trigger to hold. This means my hand won't get tired when I do this for a few hours. Okay. We can't really do anything unless it's at power 3. Okay. I'm pretty pleased with the finish. Obviously needs to go off a few more grits, but seems okay. It throws a little bit of dust up into the air, considering I've got a dust extractor working in the room and it's got this little bag on. No. But it's definitely collecting, can we see? Definitely collecting some dust. More in there. It definitely seems to collect the dust, more or less, certainly some of it. This way. It's really nice that this clips on. The last one I had just pushed on and it always fell off. A fair bit of dust though. I don't know if you can notice the God rays in my workshop. So the dust collection's alright. It could definitely do with a vacuum on the back of it. But since I don't have one of those, I've only got the big massive thing for the bandsaw. I really should get some attachments for it. Okay, so it's got a speed control on it, and you'll only ever run it at max, as far as I can tell. It makes it spin around really quick when there's no load on it, but the minute you put load on it, it does slow down. But it's fine, it does its job so far. This switch is a really nice feature. I hate trigger switches on Sanders, so just having a simple on-off flick switch is really nice. The handle, I've never used an Orbital with a handle before. It's always just been like a grab by the top or by the handle in the top. And actually I'm really liking the handle. I don't think I'd ever use it in this position. My hand would end up hitting the table. And it seems to have these 1 or 2 positions. And you can take it up out of the way for storage. But I do like the quick release. It's really quite effective. So after using this for a while now, day and a bit, 2 days, and being slightly hot and grumpy, should you buy this sander? If you want a cheap sander that you're not going to use very often, then yes, it seems absolutely fine. And if you want something that you're going to use every day, then you could probably spend a bit more money and get a better anti-vibration grip on it and better dust extraction on it. But for every now and again, tool have in the workshop, it's absolutely fine. So, and next week we're going to have the display case thing done, hopefully. So I will see you then. Oh no, I've got the wrong size sanding pads.